Hello there, and welcome to Law and Visas Immigration. I'm John, and if you've been wondering whether you can travel to Canada for medical treatment in 2025, this video is just for you. Let's get into it. First of all, Canada does allow foreign nationals to come into the country for medical reasons. But here's what you should know. It's not called a medical visa. Canada doesn't offer a separate visa just for medical purposes. What you'll be applying for is a temporary resident visa, or TRV, what most people call a visitor visa. Now, this visitor visa lets you come into Canada temporarily, and yes, that includes getting medical treatment. But getting that visa isn't automatic. You'll need to prove a few things. Let's break it down. Eligibility requirement. To apply for a visitor visa for medical reasons in 2025, here's what you must show. First, you need a valid passport. Second, you need to be in good general health. You can't have any serious criminal history or immigration violations. You must prove that you'll return to your home country after your treatment. And importantly, you must show that you can pay for your medical treatment and your stay in Canada. Canada's public health system does not cover foreign visitors. So, everything, your hospital bills, medications, even hotel stays, must come out of your own pocket. Documents you'll need. Here's a list of what you must include in your application. A detailed diagnosis from your doctor at home. A letter from a hospital in Canada confirming they're accepting you for treatment. This letter should include the treatment plan, duration, and cost. Proof of funds. This means your bank statements or sponsorship letters showing you can afford the trip and treatment. Evidence of strong ties to your country, like a job letter, business documents, family responsibilities, or property. Any previous medical records or test results that support your case. And sometimes, depending on your country and your condition, Canadian immigration might ask you to take a medical exam with one of their approved doctors. Hospitals in Canada that welcome international patients. You might be wondering, are there hospitals in Canada that treat international patients? Yes, absolutely. A good example is Sick Kids Hospital in Toronto. They have a well-known international patient program, especially for children. They handle everything from planning treatment to helping with travel arrangements. Another option is Clinique Chirurgicale de Laval in Quebec. This one is more focused on adult treatments, including surgeries and specialized care. They work with patients from other countries and provide official treatment letters. Before applying, make sure your hospital in Canada has already accepted you and given you a letter of invitation or treatment confirmation. Why some people get refused. Let's talk about something important: refusals. Many people get refused this visa, and it usually comes down to three things. 1. They don't show enough funds. If immigration officers don't believe you can afford the treatment, they won't approve your visa. 2. Weak ties to your home country. You must show that you're going back after treatment, whether that's through a job, business, property, or family. 3. Incomplete documentation. If your medical records are vague or if there's no confirmation from a Canadian hospital, that's a red flag. Also, if your medical condition could place an excessive demand on Canada's healthcare system or pose a public health risk, they may deny you under medical inadmissibility. So the key is, be clear, be complete, and be honest. Trying to figure out the visa application process can be complex. At Law and Visas Immigration, we offer personalized consultation to assess your eligibility, assistance in gathering and reviewing all necessary documentation, guidance on liaising with Canadian medical facilities, support throughout the application process to enhance your chances of approval. If you're considering traveling to Canada for medical treatment, don't navigate this journey alone. Reach out to Law and Visas Immigration for expert guidance tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you on your journey to health and healing in Canada.